2025 Prelim RGPS Paper 2. Question 1. A baker baked a total of 300 pies to sell. Total of 300 pies. The bar graph shows the number of each type of pie that was sold. Alright, now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 gaps. This equals to 20. 1 gap equals to 20 divided by 5, which is 4 pies. Alright, so for apple, we have 3 gaps, which is 12. So this is 72. Bananas, 40 plus 3 gaps, which is 12, 52. Cherry, we have 40 minus 4, 36. Lime, we have 24. Pineapple, 60. Alright, how many banana and lime pies were sold all together? Banana is 52. Lime is 24. Total 76. 76 pies. What was the total number of pies left unsold? Let's find the total sold, okay? Equals to 72 plus 52 plus 36 plus 24 plus 60. Okay, that gives us 244. Okay, unsold. Let's take the total, 300 minus 244, which is equals to 56. That's our answer, 56 pies unsold.